Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you are subscribed, then thank you so much for supporting me. If you're new, then thank you for stopping by. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And if you want to be the first to watch the brightest colors on YouTube, then just turn on that notification bell. And that's it for the self-promotion. Let's go to the subject of our video, which is the mysterious Unicorn Blood lip gloss by Nyx Cosmetics. So apparently this is how unicorn blood looks like when bottled, and I got the colors Black Hole and Kinetic. They both look really cute individually, but I also want to show you one of them over a lipstick. And usually I always choose a purple base because purple is my favorite color, so let's take something different this time. How about a teal lipstick? Here is the color of the lipstick by itself, and I will apply Black Hole over it. Okay guys, so this is how the lip gloss looks over a lipstick, and now let's go for a quick review part. These are normal hydrating lip glosses, very sparkly, very shiny. They both have a darkish base. The Kinetic one has a purple base, and the Black Hole one has something like a dark purple blue base, maybe an indigo base, but this base is semi-transparent. In my opinion, these lip glosses are perfect for getting a hint of color without getting the full coverage if you want it, and also perfect for topping some of your favorite lipsticks, especially as for me personally, I love using lip glosses like these over slightly drying lipsticks. They feel pleasantly on the lips, they are maybe a tiny bit sticky. And if you love color, I would definitely recommend this product as a lip gloss that you can carry in your makeup bag to quickly retouch your lip makeup, or as something that you can use on these almost no makeup days. And overall, I think it's really worth the price and worth trying. Please comment guys if you would love to try it, or if you already have, and which color is your favorite. And I'll see you babes in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye loves.